Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare. Already disconnected है तो ऑफ कर दीजिए ना ऑन. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna everybody. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Okay. Everybody can see the screen? Okay. Manye Mahabhagavatam Naradam Devadarshanam Ena Prokta Kriya Yogaha Paricharya Vidirhare. Yeah, start.
महाभागवतम नारद देवदर्शनम येन प्रोक्ता योगा परिचार्या विधिर्हरे.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु. मन्ये महाभागवतम नारदम देवदर्शनम येन प्रोक्तः क्रिया योगः परिचर्या विधि हरि. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु. प्रणाम प्रभु.
कृष्ण प्रभु. मन्ये महाभागवतम नारदम देवदर्शनम येन प्रोक्तः क्रिया योगः परिचार्या विधि हरे. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
प्रभु जी. मन्ये महाभागवतम नारदम देवदर्शनम येन प्रोक्ता क्रिया योगः परिचया विधिर्हरे. हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. मन्ये महाभागवतम नारदम देवदर्शनम येन प्रोक्तः क्रिया योगः परिचर्या विधिर्हरः. हरे हे.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. मन्ये महाभागवतम नारदम देवदर्शनम येन प्रोक्ता क्रिया योगः परिचर्या विधिर्हरे. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. धन्यवाद.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. मन्ये महाभागवतम नारदम देवदर्शनम येन प्रोक्तः क्रिया योगः परिचर्या विधिर्हरे. थैंक यू प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. मन्ये महाभागवतम नारदम देवदर्शनम येन प्रोक्ता क्रिया योगः परिचर्या विधिर्हरे. थैंक यू प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. प्रणाम.
मन्ये महाभागवतम नारदम देवदर्शनम येन प्रोक्ता क्रिया योगा परिचया विधिर्हरे. हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. मन्ये महाभागवतम नारदम देवदर्शनम येन प्रोक्त क्रिया योग परिचर्या विधिर्हरे. हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी. मन्ये महाभागवतम नारदम देवदर्शनम येन प्रोक्ता क्रिया योगः परिचर्या विधिर्हरे. हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी.
मन्ये महाभागवतं नारदं देवदर्शनं येन प्रकृत्या योगः परिचर्या हरे। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी, you're muted प्रभु जी।
ठीक है, थैंक यू। लेट मी सी ऑडियो and output. Manye,
मन्ये
I think.
I think
Mahabhagavatam,
महाभागवतं
the greatest of all devotees.
the greatest of all devotees.
Naradam, Narada,
The sage Narada.
Deva,
Deva,
personality of Godhead.
the supreme personality of Godhead.
Darshanam, met.
Who met?
Veda,
Veda.
by whom?
By whom?
Proktaha,
Proktaha.
spoken.
Spoken.
Kriya yogaha,
Kriya yoga. Devotional service.
Paricharya,
Paricharya.
service. The procedure.
Hare
Personality of God.
personality of Godhead.
Vidura continued, I know, Shri Shri Radha Govinda ki jai. You can have the darshan. Today it is too much like this. Now you can. Vidura continued, I know the great sage Narada, the greatest of all devotees. He has compiled the Pancharatrika procedure of devotion service and has directly met the Supreme Personality of Godhead. How beautiful. Chalo, who will read the purport? Yes, Mataji, you are ready? Oh, today Supriti is not there? Chalo, start.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yeah.
Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. There are two different ways of approaching the Supreme Lord. One is called Bhagavata Marga, or the way of Srimad Bhagavatam, and the other is called Pancharatrika Vidhi. Pancharatrika Vidhi is the method of temple worship, and Bhagavata Vidhi is the system of 9 processes which begin with hearing and chanting. The Krishna conscious movement accepts both processes simultaneously and thus enables one to make steady progress on the path of realization of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This Pancharatrika Vidhi, this Pancharatrika procedure was first introduced by the great sage Narada, as referred to here by Vidura. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare. Manye Mahabhagavatam Naradam Deva Darshanam
Naradam Deva Darshanam
Yogaha Paricharya Vidir Hare. Vidura continued, I know the great sage Narada is the greatest of all devotees. He has compiled the Pancharatrika procedure of devotion service and has directly met the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Okay. Hare Krishna. Chalo. So some Shravanam for some time, good for me, good for you, but yes. So now there is a meditation today on Pancharatrika Vidhi. Now what is this Pancharatrika Vidhi? Bhagavad Vidhi. Pancharatrika Vidhi is more focused on deity worship. That's what you're seeing now. Bhagavad Vidhi is more focused on hearing. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. The Navavidha Bhakti, first three parts are Bhagavad Vidhi. And the remaining, most of them are Pancharatrika Vidhi. Technically it is said the next four are Pancharatrika Vidhi and last two are for very advanced devotees. The Vandanam, Pada Sevanam, Dasyam, Archanam, this is Pancharatrika. The offering prayers to the deities, we go to the temple, we offer obeisances to the Lord. So Prabhupada says something very nicely that Bhagavad Vidhi is theoretical, Pancharatrika Vidhi is practical. You were reading Bhagavatam, you said, yes, I have great love for Krishna. Let us see, you want to do one arati? Practical. You don't want to do arati, then you say, I have loved Krishna, you develop great devotion to Krishna. You don't want to offer bhoga to the Lord. No, I am a great devotee. You want to offer practical. So actually when we are doing Pancharatrika Vidhi, we also see actually heart is so empty. Chant more. So it both supplements each other. So both has to go together. In ISKCON and the preaching, we are developing temples, that is mainly for Pancharatrika Vidhi, and we are preaching Krishna consciousness, distributing books, that is Bhagavad Vidhi. So Prabhupada always wanted 50-50. 50% of the resources should invest for Bhagavad Vidhi, preaching the message of Krishna consciousness, and 50% resource for Pancharatrika Vidhi. Okay? Both should go together. That's what Srila Prabhupada wanted. Okay? Bhagavad Vidhi and Pancharatrika Vidhi. Both should go together. Now, Bhagavad Vidhi, Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, Pancharatrika Vidhi, I told you. Now, some question may come. Generally, our weakness is, some people do only Pancharatrika Vidhi, they're busy with doing different services to the deity, but they don't read. Not day, years go without reading for 1 or 2 hours. Reading means it's not 1 second. At least you should read for 1 hour. So they don't read. In fact, the challenge in the moment to make people read, and with the social media and different other kind of media now, people don't read. And this is the biggest weakness in spiritual life. Once one devotee, Srila Prabhupada, met, he said, how are you? Prabhupada, I'm so disturbed. So Prabhupada, are you reading my books? Prabhupada, no. Then what else do you expect, Prabhupada said? Then what will he, there is unnecessarily you will be, fighting with your mind. Because reading does a lot of things. Shravanam, just like we are hearing about Shruti Phala of the life of Hare Krishna. Others also it is same, or Shashi Mataji that is not working? Hare Krishna?
It is clear, Prabhuji.
Huh?
Your voice is clear.
Clear, Prabhu. Yes, clear.
Alright. So वही अपना mic check करो, ठीक है? So sometimes some people we see that they are among the two, which is more important. So suppose you are traveling and there is a difficulty, you may not be able to visit a temple. So if you have some time, only say 2 hours time, and today's whole day you are working, which vidhi you will do? Tell me. Bhagavad Vidhi or Pancharatrika Vidhi?
Bhagavad Vidhi.
So,
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, Bhagavad Vidhi therefore more important than Pancharatrika. You may be traveling, you may not even have prasadam that day. You may just buy some fruits and eat or something like that. You're just adjusting, but not having prasadam. No deity worship, no darshan of the Lord, no paying obeisance. So among them, in emergency, Bhagavad Vidhi is given more preference. Of the two, Prabhupada always says, of the two, Bhagavad Vidhi is more important. Okay? Therefore, there was in Vrindavan, there was installation of the deities. So there was now installation of the deity. The main thing is Bhagavad Vidhi. So Prabhupada wrote a letter to the devotees. Don't think Krishna came because of all that Pancharat. Krishna came because of nice Sankirtana. He wrote a letter. He had called even so-called Brahmins from Vrindavan. They were also doing their, and inside the altar also is kind of Prabhupada don't think Krishna comes because of nice Sankirtana. With the heart we are praying to the Lord. My Lord, please give us a chance to serve you. Therefore Krishna comes, not because of. So among the two, always Bhagavad Vidhi is more important. Okay, is it clear to everybody? Okay, but still Pancharatrika Vidhi is needed. I give you an example. When I came to Mangalore 2002, because we are hardly any devotee, we just three of us. At that time we decided we will not have deities, we'll just have a picture. Problem number one. So people who neglect Pancharatrika Vidhi, you will see certain symptoms. Pancharatrika Vidhi, first thing it brings discipline. These people will be undisciplined. They don't get up in time. These people will be unclean. They don't wash their clothes. They're like, and do you think you are just chanting Hare Krishna without doing all this will work? Correct? And another thing, even Diksha is part of Pancharatrika Vidhi. They will not take Diksha. I am reading Prabhupada books. So there is a benefit. And all the Ritviks also, and then I'm reading Prabhupada books and I'm benefiting, I'm chanting Hare Krishna, I'm benefiting. Definitely there is a, who is saying no, but you're not having complete benefit. You're not taking shelter of a Vaishnava, you are not regulating, that's also regulation, taking shelter. And you're not regulating your routine for the day, you're not keeping yourself clean. Now, if you are chanting, you can chant on the bed. But you cannot go to deities from the bed. You have to take bath, wear fresh clothes. Particularly doing the devotional Archana Vidhi, nobody allow you the inside the altar. Okay? And Pancharatrika Vidhi, to do these things you need Brahmin Diksha. In the temple, particularly in the temple. At home, nowadays, very rarely, generally the ISKCON gurus don't give Brahmin Diksha for at home. They give when somebody is doing committed seva in the temple. So come, you will get one more Diksha, second. But committed seva, now around 20 people have applied, we applied, but they are all committed, either cooking or the deity worship. But what to do, you didn't do. We are all busy at home. So Pancharatrika Vidhi is nice, okay? And it is also beautiful, no? I am bathing the deities. I am not only on Janmashtami, every day I am bathing the deities, dressing them, feeding them. This is, but a question may arise. The Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself, he had millions of followers. He showed the potency unlimited. He went all around India. He didn't build a single temple. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not build a single temple. Then is correct? He was going all around India, chanting, dancing, making people also chant, dance. But why is it that, see the point is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did visit the temples then. He didn't make, but he visited the temples. If Pancharatrika Vidhi is not important, why was he going every day to see Jagannatha? When rather in the sense that when the Jagannatha darshan used to close for certain days, after the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to go restless, used to run to Alanath because the Jagannath deity manifests himself in Alanath when the darshan is closed. He used to run there and take darshan. He cannot live without the darshan of Jagannatha. So that means definitely Pancharatrika Vidhi is important. Why did he, seeing the Jagannatha deity, faint? Why did he go all around India and particularly visited all the temples? If Pancharatrika Vidhi was not important, only chanting and dancing is important, why did Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu visit the temples at all? Correct? He visited Udupi and chanted and danced to the deity. Why is it, if it's not important, why did he do that? Why did he discuss the Madhantapuri Leela? Why did he discuss Sakshi Gopal Leela? And when he visited the temple of Remuna, he visited the deities, Shirchor, Gopinath and all, and he described the Leela with great pleasure. Why did he do that? because definitely the deity worship is important. And we are actually conducted under the orders and guidance of the 6 Goswamis, and therefore we are called Rupanugas, the chief among them Rupa Goswami, and he has given orders for have to have both in our life, Bhagavad Vidhi and Pancharatrika Vidhi. So what are the symptoms you will see in somebody who is only in Pancharatrika Vidhi? He doesn't chant nicely, he does not read, he does some practical service, he will do cleaning, he will do pot washing, he will do cooking, but he will not chant, he will not read. So that devotee is also not strong. And you see some devotees, they read a lot whole day, they chant very nicely, but they don't attend aartis, they don't pray to the Lord, deities, they don't do any practical service to the deities. So the both kind of varieties, best is balance, 50-50. You know? Therefore in ISKCON sadhana is given, Prabhupada has already balanced everything within it. Just follow the schedule as far as possible at your home also. Just like we have morning program, evening program, when you visit the temple, watch it. And go at home and start implementing as far as possible. Okay? There is home worship, and you can locate a website with the deityworship.com, with the ISKCON website, will teach you how to do home worship. You can learn from that. And temple worship, yeah, more mantras, more details. Like Srirangam temple, I was always wonderstruck. There the Lord is woken up by elephant, cow, horse. 3 people go to wake up the Lord. Elaborate procedure, and thousands of people are there for each procedure. So that is expansion. Temple worship can go unlimitedly detailed. In a year, 365 days, some 250 days there are festivals. And each festival, lakhs of people come. So that is detailed worship of the Lord, detailed. Okay? We can keep, Prabhupada used to say, every day we can have a festival in the temple. Okay? So what are the 2 vidhis? Pancharatrika Vidhi and Bhagavad Vidhi. Both are important. Don't neglect. Okay? Many a times we either neglect Bhagavad Vidhi or we neglect Pancharatrika Vidhi. No, we need to stay pure, we need to stay clean, we should be organized, and Pancharatrika Vidhi will do that. And we personal chance of getting worship to the Lord. Bhagavad Vidhi, getting association with Srila Prabhupada, reading his books. But here also you're worshipping Prabhupada, going down to him, offering flowers to him. Both are important, both are needed in our spiritual life, but among the 2, more important is Bhagavad Vidhi. Hare Krishna. Any questions anybody has? Is it clear, everybody? It's easy to... but any questions have come now? Implementation? Yeah, Shravani?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Panchavat Pranam. Prabhuji, actually in Kali Yuga, it is prescribed duty is like chanting the holy names, right? That is Bhagavata Vidhi. But in Dwapara Yuga, prescribed duty is temple worship only, right, Prabhuji? Means Pancharatrika Vidhi, right?
See, the point is that the question can be this, your question, that Kali Yuga is only chanting the holy name of the Lord, so why we are doing deity worship? That question can become, that question can be the reasonable question. See, even though we do deity worship, it is supported by the Harinama. It is supported by Harinama. We don't do Aarti without Kirtan, generally, correct? Have you seen now? Mangalarti there, dhan, dhan, dhan. And as in the temple, always there should be Sankirtan or Aarti happen. It is supported. Even sometimes we do yagna, like installation yagna or vivaha yagna, started by, or diksha yagna, supported by Harinama. So in the support of Harinama, some yagna is there, some archana is there, some meditation is there, pujaris also, and detailed puja worship. Before entering the altar, they meditate on what they are doing, correct? There is some meditation, some archana. It's quite simplified. Thus, Narada Pancharatra is not the elaborate Agama, Shri Pancharatra, no, that's very elaborate. In fact, it becomes very ritualistic then. Too many details, Prabhupada knows how much to give, correct? They can need so much, you can need 1,000 mantras you can have just for waking up the Lord. Yeah, do that only. Most of the people are doing, the Brahmanas are doing that only, correct? So Prabhupada knows how to balance, correct? Otherwise you will be, and so many rules are there, Prabhupada used to laugh sometimes. If I tell you all the rules, you will be inside bathroom only. Again take bath, again take bath. Like first time when Srila Prabhupada was cooking in America, so some youngsters came to help him inside. Yamuna Devi Dasi and all, they tell very nice stories. So we were there, and as we are in Lechas, suddenly put a ear here. Prabhupada said, go and wash your hand. And then we'll put the finger, go and wash your hand. He said, 20 times we used to hear, go and wash your hand, because we don't know a civilized, pure life. We were totally Lechas. Okay? Okay?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji says, sitting at home, we can, Bhagavata Vidhi is okay, but if the temple is far, Pancharatrika Vidhi is difficult, Prabhuji.
Well, at home you have to have them. You can at least have a picture and worship. Pancharatra Vidhi doesn't mean you should have deities only. You can have picture, you can worship. See, for Krishna, as for Krishna is concerned, picture and deity, no difference. He can answer your prayers from either place, no? Correct? So,
Yes.
advisable have pictures, and you can offer prayers, and you can request the Lord, how do I serve you? Okay?
Okay. See, online seeing the Abhishek and all, that is also concerned to be, supposed to be Pancharatrika Vidhi only, seeing the Abhishekam,
Online.
doing the festivals online.
Yes, there is Pancharatra, online Pancharatra. Okay,
Yes,
na? And always it is accompanied by Harinam. Yes, that's the way Pancharatra is done in Kali Yuga. And now you are saying nice Kirtan going on and Abhisheka going on. Yeah, that's how it is done. Pancharatra are not like generally we go to temples, there is no Kirtan, nothing, they are doing, and we are sitting, some Brahmanas chanting mantras, sitting and listening. No, it's Sankirtana. Yagnai Sankirtana Praya. So with Sankirtana Yagna, Sampanch. It's a really magic formula, no? Everything. Yes, Sureka Mataji, you want to add something?
And I want to ask Prabhu, Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandavat Pranam. Prabhuji, I have started doing my puja at home also at 4:30, along with watching the online puja at temple. But what happens is we have been told that 7 times, that aarti has to be given to God, and 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, and 4 times at the head, and then 7 times all around. But while I'm singing the aarti, I forget the count. So, is it okay, Prabhu? Along with singing that aarti and doing the kriya, sometimes.
That's motam. Home worship is not so strict, 4, 2, 3, nothing. Just Prabhupada in America, when he started, he said 7 circles. That's it, simple. So, and what lamp? They had only candles, and not one plate they made, they put candles everywhere. That's why the first worship started. Where he will search for diya, where he was in America. He didn't wait for all that. That came later. Prabhupada went to America, he didn't have a mridanga also. He didn't wait for anything. Just started off. It came later. In a plate they put candles, and Prabhupada did and said, now you start, everybody was doing something. So they went going circles, and Prabhupada, what to do? 7 circles. So they what they do? Simple as 7 circles, then you are more advanced, you start breaking lotus feet, the navel and the face, you're more advanced. Okay? For Kali Yuga, that much is enough. More Pancharatra is very difficult. Sometimes Prabhupada said, yes, you have festivals, you can sing Purusha Shukta, you can sing, Sarsa Shita, something. Proper the festival times you can add. We sing Brahma Samhita also, festival time. Okay? Okay.
Yes, and putting the Lord to bed in the night, is it compulsory? I mean,
a temple.
In not the temple, not at home.
Home, see, home don't start anything which cannot be sustained. Once you do something, you should not stop next day. Temple, yes. Proper in Chaitanya Charitamrita, the purport says, every temple next to the Lord a bed should be in a purport. Anything in purport is order for all the time, for all the places. Okay? This is in a temple. So home worship is different, and you can always, temple worship is kind of a goal at home. Okay? As much whenever you come, something you can learn and see whether all family members are ready. Because say at home, we may not be able to sustain the standards. Correct? Sometimes we are alone and I'm not well, who will do? At home it's like that. Okay, but always the deities in the temple, the at-home deities are considered expansion of the deities in the temple. You may have Krishna at your home, it is expansion of the Radha Govinda. So when Radha Govinda serve, they are automatically served. Just like Janmashtami comes. Now I have deities at home, I am busy with that. That's an offense. You should do something, you should not do something basic, but your time should be focused on the main deity of the temple. Automatically that is also served. Okay? It's fine.
Okay, Prabhu. Thank you so much. Yes.
Prabhuji, Hare Krishna Prabhuji, when we are out of house for 3 to 4 days, like how do we do Prabhuji? We can't do puja, no? Like how to live that and go?
Home recommendation, have picture. Have picture. Don't go for vigrahas. You will not be able to maintain. We already have, okay, continue. We cannot not telling to stop, but the deities are standing, they take bath. Deities are considered like small children. They're taken care like children. So don't you give bath to your child every day?
Yes.
I've seen deities, once in 15, 20 days, they give bath to the deity. That's not correct. You dress the deities once in 15 days, they are dusty all over, not clean. Generally at home, it happens like that. People cannot, so don't be excited. Like it happened in America and Prabhupada started the movement. Devotees started buying their deities. So with their money, they started buying left, right, center. Okay? So Prabhupada said, please wait. And he also said, don't imitate the Indians. They're trained from centuries. So in India at home, the temples are there, the culture is there. We know how to go down, we do some basic puja. That's okay. What is going on, don't stop. But those who are to introduce, keep with pictures and sleep better.
Yes.
Okay?
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Pictures means, there is I can explain. Somebody looks at devotion to the picture, the Lord is manifest. But somebody doesn't look, it just colors. But deities are not like that. The Lord is present. You look with devotion or not. Okay, the Lord is present. Okay? Makes sense?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, I have one more question. Sorry, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, actually, Rajasuya yajnas and temple worship, that can be done by only limited people, right? Then how they would have liberated, means liberation, Prabhuji, in those days, Dwapara Yuga and Treta Yuga days? Means those cannot be done by everybody, right?
Now, already we have enough problem. No, why we take problem of Treta? उधर क्या करते थे? अरे उनको करने जो करते थे, कुछ करते होंगे, है ना? उनका प्रॉब्लम, हम तो कलयुग में बैठे हैं, हमारा अभी प्रॉब्लम कैसे करते थे वो लोग? अब वो तो त्रेता के लोगों को पूछेंगे, मिलेंगे, कभी आप वैकुंठ में मिलोगे उनको तो पूछ लेना आप करते क्या थे? सभी लोग करते थे क्या? यज्ञ सभी लोग करते थे? नहीं, बाकी लोग बैठ के देखते होंगे ना। जस्ट लाइक पूजा भी क्या होता है, अभी गेस कर सकते हैं। पूजा में क्या होता है, कोई आरती करता है, बाकी लोग बैठ के देखते हैं, है ना? सभी को आरती, दैट इज अर्चना। अर्चना डजंट मीन ओनली डूइंग आरती, अटेंडिंग आरती इज ऑल्सो अर्चना, ठीक है? तो यज्ञ सभी लोग थोड़ी करते हैं, वो तो प्रीस्ट करते हैं, बाकी लोग बैठ के पार्टिसिपेट करते थे, ठीक है? दैट इज माई एजुकेटेड गेस। नहीं, जब वैकुंठ में मिलोगे पूछ लेना, सब लोग करते थे क्या यज्ञ? यस, डॉक्टर मानुषी, हरे कृष्णा।
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. My only question was that we travel a lot, so we take a deity with us and continue the basic service that we do. Is that all right, Prabhuji?
That's how it is done. We generally people carry the deities. That's okay. That is good to carry deities. ठाकुर जी को लेके चल रहे हैं. They say like.
हाँ, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. ठीक है? Thank you everybody.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. See you next week.
Krishna Prabhuji Sadhana.
Devotees, they carry Laddu Gopal with them. Everywhere, wherever they go, they carry Laddu Gopal.